of the world. So, which is the third largest ocean of the world? It is the Indian Ocean. How much percent of the Earth's surface it is occupying? 20%. Okay. It is located between Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Southern Ocean. Okay. Now let us see it is surrounded by which areas? Asia in the north, Antarctica in the south, Australia in the east, and Africa in the west. Now let us see the characteristics of the Indian Ocean. It is what? What is the shape? Triangular. Okay. Second is it is the warmest among all the oceans. Thirdly, it approximately provides 40% of the world's offshore oil production. Now let us see the importance of the Indian Ocean. Now, it is the hub of the global activity. Hub means the center. It is the center of the global activity. It links the Middle East with Europe, East Asia, Africa, and the United States. That makes it the center of the global activity. Third importance is it is rich in the natural resources. And the fourth is that the ocean, it is a valuable source of fishing and mineral resources. Shallowest ocean of the world. This is the Arctic Ocean. Now, how much area it occupies? It is how much? 5,427,000 square miles, which is approximately equal to the size of Russia. Okay, let us see it is surrounded by which areas. It is surrounded by Greenland, Canada, Alaska, Russia, and Norway. Now, it is located within the Arctic Circle and it also surrounds the North Pole. Now, let us study about the characteristics of Arctic Ocean. Okay, it is connected by the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water which is known as Bering Strait. Okay, now Arctic Ocean is also covered by three kinds of ice covers which are known as polar ice, fast ice, and pack ice. Now let us see what is the meaning of the polar ice. Polar ice is a high latitude region of a planet or a small planet or a natural satellite that is covered in ice. Second is what? Fast ice. What is the meaning? Ice that covers the sea water but it is attached to the land. And the third is pack ice. Pack ice means a mass of ice, a big piece of ice floating in the sea, which is formed by smaller pieces freezing together. That is known as pack ice. Now let us see the third characteristic of Arctic Ocean. It also supports or helps native people who depend upon the Arctic for their food. Okay. And the fourth characteristic is that because of the change in the climate and because of global warming, the ice in this area, it has started melting. And as a result, what has happened? A deep water sea route has opened, which has linked the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. Now, the last characteristic is that it is also becoming one of the important tourist destinations. Why? Because there is an increase in the cruise ships. Okay. And the number of the tourists, they are also increasing day by day. Children, the Arctic zone, it is also becoming important tourist destination because people, they are visiting this area more and more, because this area is still untouched by the human being. So it is in its original form. So for seeing this original form, the number of the tourists, they are increasing day by day. Now we shift to the next ocean, and that is the Southern Ocean. The